everyone, so today we're going to go through how to use these Blue Sky Chromes. Those who signed up to the Nail Mail Discovery Edition will have seen these in June's and August subscription. So first of all, I'm just going to apply Blackpool. This is the nicest black colour that Blue Sky do, onto a tip. You need to make sure it's such a pigmented colour, but it's really key to do nice thin coats. And I'm just going to put this into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm just going to apply another layer of Blackpool, just so we get that nice even finish. Again, nice thin layers, evenly over the nail. It's got such a high shine to this, it's one of my favourite colours that Blue Sky do. Just capping the free edge there, and I'm going to put it back into the light to cure for another 60 seconds. I'm then going to use matte top coat onto the nail, and again put that into the light to cure for its full 60 seconds. So the first design we're going to use uses matrix gel. Here I've got it in white. This is a no white formula, and that's why I've put a top coat on first of all, also because it helps with the chrome. So this is like a spider gel, so you can just put it on and keep wrapping around the strings onto the nail really randomly. There's so many different designs you can do with it. Just keep making a random pattern with it. I'm using the BN002 liner brush to apply. And once you're happy with the design, just put it into the lamp to cure for another 60 seconds. Because the matrix gel is a no white formula, we're able to put the chrome straight onto it. This chrome is a holographic chrome. I'm just going to use an eyeshadow applicator to apply. I'm just going to take a bit of the excess out of the lid and start rubbing it on to where we've put the matrix gel. As you can see, it's transferring really easily, and just keep rubbing it in, adding more as you need. The great thing about these chrome powders is that they last forever because you need just such a tiny amount. And then I'm just going to grab a nice big fluffy brush and dust off all the excess. I'm now going to top coat this design, just to make sure that all the chrome is sealed in. And that again will go into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So onto the second design, I'm going to start off using Pillar Box Red. This is one of my favourite reds. It's your classic post box red, and it looks great all year round. Again, that goes into the light for cure for 60 seconds. And just like before, I'm going to put a second layer on. And again, cure that for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to apply Blue Sky's No Wipe Top Coat. And this only needs to go into the lamp for half of its cure, so 30 seconds. This is really important because any longer and you won't get the same effect when applying your chrome on top. So that goes into the light for 30 seconds. And then we're going to use the gold chrome, which has got a mirror effect on top. This is applied in the same way with an eyeshadow applicator. And you just rub it in to that top coat. As you can see, just one dip into the pot and it's nearly covered the whole nail. Once the full nail's covered, I like to turn my applicator the other way around and just to really buff it in to reveal that shine. And then again, just to get rid of any loose bits, I'm just going to dust over my big fluffy brush. It is really important that you then put this back into the light to finish its full cure, so that goes in for another 30 seconds. When it comes out of the lamp, I'm just going to use No Wipe Top Coat to draw my shapes on top. You can draw anything on top. Here today I've gone for some hearts and some dots just to show you this technique. It might be a little bit hard for you to see because I am using the clear No Wipe Top Coat. So when I draw my hearts, I like to start with 2 dots at the top and then draw a V to make the point and another little V at the top and then fill it in. And again, I am using the Bluesky BN002 liner brush. You can get this individually or in its pack of 5 nail art brushes, which I use for all of my nail art designs. So again, I'm just drawing a heart here with 2 dots at the top, a V to make the point, and then joining them 2 dots together with another V before filling it in. And as I said, you can do anything, you can do stars, swirls, anything. But essentially by putting this top coat on top, it's going to lock the chrome into that place. So in a moment, I'll show you how you can get that red colour back underneath while leaving your design on top. I'm now just adding some little dots just to fill in the gaps, just so you'll be able to see easier what this technique can achieve. This will then go into the lamp for a full 60-second cure. So now that's out of the lamp, I'm going to show you the technique to get the red colour back from underneath. So you're going to need some of the Bluesky cleanser, but acetone also works, on a lint-free pad and just wipe away. And as you can see, where we've put that No Wipe Top Coat on top, it's kept the design and it's revealed the colour underneath. Because we use top coat before applying the chrome and then afterwards, you can leave it as a 3D effect because it's all top coated, or alternatively to make it all one layer and there's no raised bits, you can put a top coat underneath over the top of your design. So you can either leave it or just like here, put the top coat over to make it all smooth. And that again will now go into the light for 60 seconds to cure. For the third design, I'm just going to go straight in applying the No Wipe Top Coat so I can straight chrome the nail with the gold just like we did for the last design. So that goes in for a 30-second cure. You apply the chrome and then that goes in for another 30-second cure to make the full 60. And then I'm just going to top coat again to lock in that design. This is the Bluesky No Wipe Top Coat, so the normal shiny one. And I'm going to put that into the light to cure for 60 seconds. I'm then taking Sage Scarf, this lovely green colour which I think is going to be so popular this autumn. And I'm going to draw some random abstract shapes. I've seen this trend quite a lot on Pinterest at the moment where you've got a chrome with some shapes on top. And this is how you can achieve this look. So really random, any colours will work. Just placing dots, triangles. Again, I am using the BN002 liner brush. And each time I'm changing colour, I'm using the new Bluesky Smart Cleanser to clear my brush. It's really good at lifting the colour out while protecting the bristles, because if you're using acetone all the time, it can dry your brushes out and make them look like a sweeping brush rather than that nice liner brush that you need to apply the polish with. So I'm just filling in these little shapes now, and then I'll put it into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So I've got the lamp, I'm just going to decant some of the matte top coat onto a palette. I'm going to use a liner brush to apply this to where I've gone over with the sage scarf shapes. We've already top coated the chrome in the normal glossy top coat, so now I'm just going to apply the matte contrast on top. And then once this goes into the lamp for a full 60 seconds, your nail is then done. It'll have a slight 3D effect, but it also shows the matte against the glossy. I'm just being really careful just to go over just the green and not go over any of the gold chrome. And then pop that into the light for a full 60-second cure. So these are the 3 designs we've gone over today: how to use chrome with matrix gel, how to either give it a 3D effect or lock in your designs with a no wipe top coat, and how to achieve matte designs on top of chrome powder. I hope you've enjoyed learning these 3 new techniques.